Hi everybody, today I will show you how to design website in WordPress. So let's begin. Alright, to design the website in the WordPress, first of all what we need to do is that we're going to go inside the appearance and we're going to click on the themes. So in the themes, you're going to actually see a lot of the different options. So from here, you can actually go here with anyone, whichever you want. So if you want to install the new theme here, you can simply click on add new theme. And from here you will be able to see bunch of different options for the theme that you can use from here. But the theme that we are using here is actually the Astra theme, so that is why. So I'm going to install this and activate this. But as you can see here that Astra is already installed, but if it not installed, then you will be able to see the option just like this. So we can click on activate now. So we have installed and activated our Astra theme. Alright, so now I'm going to simply click on update now. And after this, you can see the option of the post here and also the pages. So if you wanted to create the post, you can simply click on post here. And from here, if you wanted to create a new post, you can simply click on add new post here. And now you will be able to create a new post here. But that is not what we want to do here. But if you wanted to do this, you can do this from here. Similarly, if you wanted to create a new pages for your website, then you're going to go inside the pages here. And from here, you will actually click on add new page here. And now you'll be able to see the title of the page. So if you wanted to create a new page, I'm going to add the title. So I'm going to write down new page here. And if you wanted to add any content inside your page, you can simply do this from here. Or we can also use the Elementor for that. But we're going to learn later how to use Elementor. But right now, let's just publish this. And this is how we create a page here. Alright, in our WordPress website. This is how it is looking. Obviously, it does not have anything. That is why you can't see anything into it. And after this, what do we have? If I go here inside the appearance, and here you can see the option of the widgets here. And if I just click on here to visit site, you will be able to see our site here. Okay. So in the widgets, we have the different options and the different sections. So you can see here, we are having the main sidebar here. We are having the header here. We are having the footer builder widget. We are having the footer builder widget too. And also inactive widgets. So if I just click on the main sidebar here, and if I just click on anything here, you can see we can edit and add the new things from here as well. Okay. So right now I'm going to go inside the post and click on the all posts. And here I'm going to simply open any of these posts here. So let's click on view here. Let me just remove this. Now you will be able to see the post here. Obviously, I would need to enable the sidebar here. So how can we do this? We're going to go inside here. And if I just click on manage with live preview, now you will be able to see the option of the widgets here. Obviously, it does not have anything. But right now, we're going to go here inside our customizer. So let's click on customize here. And from here, we're going to add our sidebar. So let's go inside the sidebar. And I'm going to click on the left sidebar, or we can go here with the right sidebar. Alright, so now we have to go back. And from here, we're going to go inside the blog. We're going to go inside the single post. And here we also have to change. From here, I also have to add the sidebar layout. So let's go here with left sidebar. Or we can go here with the right sidebar. So let's publish this. And now when we go to our post here and refresh the page, now you'll be able to see our sidebar here. And you can see this, we are having the different sections here. So we have the search, we have the recent post, we have the recent comment, archive, categories. Alright, so now we're going to go back into our widgets from here. And you can see here, we are actually seeing all the things that we have here on our sidebar. Okay, so let's say that in the last, we have these two widgets that are not appearing for some reasons. So what we're going to do here, we're going to simply remove this from here. So let's just click here and click on delete. And also for this one. And also for this one. Now let's click on update. Alright, so now we're going to go inside our post here, refresh the page. Now you'll be able to see that we have removed those empty widgets here. So now what we need to do, we don't have to do anything here. I'm going to simply close all of these options. Actually, I have to install 2 plugins here. So I'm going to simply click on add new plugin. And here, let's just write down Elementor. So let's click on activate here because I have already installed this. And after this, I need to install one more plugin here, which is actually starter templates. So we have to install the starter template from here. And we have to click on activate here. Okay, so a starter template actually helps us to have multiple different pre-made templates that we can use in our website directly without building the website from the scratch. Then we can simply edit them according to our needs or according to our requirements. So right now I'm going to simply click on build with template here. And now here you will be able to see multiple different options as a template that we can use directly without building them from the scratch. Okay. So let's say that I wanted to go here with the second one, outdoor adventure. So from here, if I wanted to upload the site logo, I can simply do this from here. If I wanted to change the font pair, I can simply change the font pair from here. If I wanted to change the color palette of our complete template, I can simply do this from here. So let's change the color palette from here. So I'm going to go here with this one or maybe the blue one. So I'm going to go here with this blue color. And also I will change the font pair here. So let's go here with this one. And I think I will go here with default logo here. So let's click on continue. Now let's click on skip here. Click on submit and build my website. Alright, so now our website is ready. So now we have to click on visit your site. And now you will be able to see that this is how our website is looking. And it is looking really great. Obviously, this is not something that we want exactly, but now we can use this template to add our content into it and also customize this as per our requirement. Okay. So for that, I'm going to go inside the WordPress dashboard from here. So let's click on the visit dashboard. So here now we have the two options. If we just wanted to customize header and the footer, then we can go inside the appearance and click on the customize. And from here, I will be able to customize header and the footer if you only wanted to customize header and the footer. Okay. And I'm going to simply click here on the header builder. And from here, you can see here, we have the three options. We have the site logo. This is the site logo. And then we have the button. So this is actually our button. And then we have the primary menu. Okay. But if you don't know how can you create the primary menu, you're going to go inside the dashboard again. And from here, you can see the option of the menus here. So from here, you will be able to see the primary menu here, and you can also create the new menu if you wanted to, but we can use this primary menu from here. You can see the option of menu items here. So these are the menu items that we have. So all of these menu items are actually the links to the different pages that we have. But let's say if you wanted to add the new link into this, so how can you do this? So now it depends whether it is a post page or custom link. So if you wanted to add a new menu item into this, you can simply click on the custom links. So right now I just want to add the custom links here instead of the posts or the pages. So I'm going to simply write down hash here, and here what we can write down portfolio here, click on add to menu, and this is how you can add the menu item into your menu here. And after this, you just need to save menu, and this is all you need to create the menu and add items into this. Okay. So now if you go back to our website here and refresh the page, now you will be able to see the portfolio link here that we have added. Perfect. Now we're going to go inside our customize here. So in the customize, as we can see here, we can only customize the header and the footer from here. Okay. So let's say if I wanted to add any new thing into this, I can simply add this from here. Let's just write down search here. And now you will be able to see the search icon here, which I really don't want to have right now. So I'm going to simply delete this. And if you wanted to add any other thing into this, you can click on here and you can add any of these things from here in the available options. So if I just click on the social here, it will actually add the social links here. And obviously I would need to add the link into this, but right now I'm going to simply remove this because I don't need this. So this is how you can actually customize the header. Similarly, you can customize the footer as well. So for the footer, you're going to go back and here you can see the option of the footer builder. You're going to go inside the footer builder. And here you can see that we only have the two things. First one is a widget and the second one is the copyright. So if I click on the widget here, you can see this, we are actually having this data here. Or if you want to update this data based on your business, you can simply do this from here. And if you wanted to add the new block here or the new widget or anything, you can add this from here. And similarly on the copyright, you can change the values from here as well. But let's say if you wanted to change the content here that we have in between our template. So for that, what we would need to do, we would actually need to go inside our WordPress dashboard. And from here, I'm going to simply go inside the pages. And right now, I only want to customize our main page here or the home page. So let's click on this one. I think this is the one and not this one. So let's just see what we have here. Maybe this one. Yeah, this is the one. So I'm going to simply click here onto the edit. And here you'll be able to see the option of edit with Elementor. So we have to click on this. Alright, so now you can see here we are inside the Elementor editor. And inside the Elementor editor, I can actually edit everything in my template. So if I wanted to edit this heading here, I can simply do this from here and I can change the values from here. And if I want to edit this button, I can also do this from here. And if I wanted to change background image of this container, I can do this from here. And you can see here, we'll be able to see a lot of the different options here. And after that, we have these different sections. So you can see this, we can edit these sections. So we have this text here as well. If I wanted to add the image here, I can also do this. If I wanted to change the image here, I can also do this. And if you wanted to also change any content from here, we can also change the content from here. So if I just click on this button and if I wanted to change the color of the button, I can actually do this from here. So let's click on the color here. And now you will be able to see a different color here as well. So you can actually customize the design however you want to customize it. Okay. And after this, we have these different sections here. And if you wanted to add the new elements into this, you can do this from here. And if you wanted to add the new container into this, you can actually do this from here. So let's click on the flex box, click on the single column structure, and you have added the new container here on which you can actually add any new section if you wanted to. So this is how you can actually customize the complete content of our template that we have used. So now let's click on publish here and let's click on preview changes. And this is how our website is looking now. So this is how we can design the website in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.